Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Xbox Game Bar not working in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, follow some easy steps. First one, click on Start, then Settings, then click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Now guys, here you will see a list of applications which you installed before, and some application is inbuilt installed. So just you need to find out Game Bar, and also easy way to you search here Xbox. Now guys, this is the Xbox Game Bar. Click on this three dot, advanced options. Now if it's not working, so you can repair or reset. So try one by one, it will take some time, so continue and wait till this procedure will be complete. And after, once this complete, click on reset and reset, and make sure this will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign in details. So if you are sure, so check this both option. And guys, still you are facing error after repair and reset, so just try third method and click on Start and type PowerShell. So open Windows PowerShell. Now here guys, copy and paste this command line. I will give in description if you comment me. So paste here, and also guys, you can type this similar command, then click on enter. So hopefully guys, using these easy and simple steps, we can resolve and we can fix Xbox Game Bar not working or Xbox Game Bar not opening in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment which method worked for you.